This is how you create a commercial swipe transition inside After Effects. I have these two clips on the timeline of the coffee being poured and then a cut to our model here. I'm going to go to about 2 seconds, double click the rectangle tool up here, filled in white, and then I'm going to import my logo. I'm going to highlight both of them, right click, pre-compose, okay. Reduce the composition to 2 to 4 seconds, Command-Shift-D to cut and delete. And what I'm going to do is go to the 2-second mark with the comp selected. I'm going to click the rectangle tool, and then this allows us to draw a mask. And I'm just going to draw a narrow column like this on the edge. Go to mask on the drop down menu, click the stopwatch on the mask path, and then by just shift clicking this point here, I can select these 2 points. And then moving about half a second into the timeline, I can shift, click and drag this point to the end here. Then I'm going to make a keyframe here with the path and then go to the end at the 4-second mark and do the same again. Shift click this point, shift click this point, and we've got these 2 points selected. Shift click drag over to the other side. I can select the keyframes, right click, keyframe interpolation, Bezier. Then I can go to the speed graph editor, and then we have these cool velocity arms. So I can do it from slow to fast like this, and do the same again on the other side, fast to slow. So we have this sort of symmetrical shape. Go back to the timeline, and then voila.